Managing challenging behaviors based on the specific functions of behavior in children with autism. Did you know that every behavior has a reason? When a child with autism cries, screams, hits, or refuses to follow instructions, it's not random. That behavior is communicating something important. In this video, we will discuss the real reasons why children with autism may display inappropriate behaviors and the evidence-based behavioral interventions you can use to address them effectively. Hi everyone, welcome back to Autism Plus, where we share evidence-based strategies to support children with autism using applied behavior analysis. I'm Jess, and today we will talk about behavioral interventions based on the functions of behavior. Understanding the function or reason behind a behavior is extremely important. When we identify the function correctly, we can teach appropriate replacement behaviors instead of simply trying to stop the behavior. 1. Medical concerns. Sometimes, challenging behavior is caused by medical or physical discomfort, not behavioral issues. Children with autism may struggle to communicate pain, illness, or discomfort. Examples include toothache, ear infection, stomach pain, headaches, sleep deprivation, medication side effect, gastrointestinal issues. Because the child cannot explain the discomfort clearly, the child may express it through crying, aggression, self-injurious behavior, sudden tantrums, withdrawal. Behavioral interventions. Before implementing any behavioral program, always rule out medical causes first. Observe sudden changes in behavior patterns. Consult pediatricians or specialists. Other strategies. Monitor sleep patterns. Track eating and digestion. Document when behaviors occur. If the behavior appears suddenly and intensely, medical evaluation should always be considered first. 2. Attention seeking. Some behaviors occur because the child wants attention from parents, teachers, or peers. Attention can be positive or negative. Even scolding, shouting, or correcting the child may reinforce the behavior. That is why we shouldn't react immediately when a child with autism misbehaves. Examples: screaming to get attention, interrupting conversations, throwing objects, hitting siblings. If adults consistently respond to these behaviors, the child learns. When I do this behavior, people look at me and talk to me. Behavioral interventions. Evidence-based strategies include 1. Differential reinforcement of alternative behavior (DRA). Reinforce appropriate ways to request attention. Teach phrases like, "Excuse me, can you play with me? Look at me, please." 2. Planned ignoring. When the behavior is safe, do not provide attention to inappropriate behavior. Then immediately reinforce appropriate attention-seeking behaviors. 3. Provide scheduled attention. Give frequent positive attention before the child seeks it inappropriately. Example: praise, conversation, playtime, high fives. 3. Access to tangible items. A child may engage in challenging behavior to gain access to preferred items or activities. Examples: toys, tablet or iPad, computer games, snacks, favorite objects. If tantrums consistently result in receiving the item, the behavior becomes strongly reinforced. Behavioral interventions. 1. Functional communication training (FCT). Teach the child to appropriately request the item. Examples: can I have the toy? I want the iPad, please. Can I play more? 2. Premack principle or grandma's rules. Example: first clean up, then play iPad. Visual schedules work very well for this. 3. Do not reinforce tantrums. If the child tantrums and immediately receives the item, the tantrum becomes stronger. Instead, wait for calm behavior. Reinforce appropriate requesting. That's it for now in this video. Please stay tuned for the continuation of this topic. In our next video, we will discuss part 2 of this topic. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.